we'll guide you through how to accept Stripe crypto payments on your website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe dashboard by logging into your Stripe account on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings tab, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of your screen. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods section. Click on it, and you'll see a list of various payment options. Here, you should see an option for cryptocurrency, or crypto payments. Click on it to enable crypto payments. You'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup, which might involve agreeing to additional terms and conditions or verifying some details about your business. After enabling, Stripe will automatically add the option for customers to pay using cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum at checkout on your site. If you're using an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, make sure your Stripe plugin or integration is up to date, as this ensures the crypto payment option appears correctly on your checkout page. You might also want to customize your checkout page to inform customers that crypto payments are accepted, which can be done in your site's settings or theme editor. Remember, accepting crypto can attract a whole new set of customers who prefer decentralized payments. So it's a great feature to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.